Yo, it's your boy Bob Beast 37. About to see y'all a lot of money to do this. It's very easy. Uh, like I said, it's gonna save you a lot of money. Uh, you can put your own AC in yourself, so why not save some money and do it? Right? So I'm gonna show you how to do it. This can right here. Like I said, I don't really got a lot left in it, but I can at least show you how to get it started. I gotta go get me some more at the store. AutoZone, get it at AutoZone, get it at Walmart, O'Reilly's. So let me go ahead and get this started because I gotta make this video kind of short. I gotta work. But right here, got this little gauge right here. It shows you how much the pressure. You put in your car. Don't want to go to red. Don't ever go to red. You want to go at least yellow or green, preferably green, because that's where you're trying to go. And let's see if I can get the screen right. Just try to get it to the green. It says field. My phone sucks, so yeah. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this started. Let's get it. First, you're gonna need some gloves for the can, because the can will get cold the more you put the pressure in it. I use this just to open the port up, make it more easier, and that's it. And yeah, AC can. So let's get it. So I got the hood up already. So you got to open your hood. You got to find your low AC port, which is mine is on the right under the red bar. It's kind of a pain just to get to it, just because of that bar. I'm trying to eventually remove it so it can be more easier. So it'll be on your lower right. Alright, we'll go ahead and get this started. I have to move this out the way, so give me a little time to do that. Just gotta bear with me, So we go ahead and get this lower port, AC port, off. Get the show on the road. Use this adapter. Push it down. Click it right. Top it. Sure it's on right good. Alright, let's get it started. Now you gotta go cut your engine on. Just actually you don't really have to turn it on all the way on. You can just put it on. So just put it on and turn your AC all the way up. Not all the way on, but just on. Go ahead and push this. And push it up. So at least get to the yellow. Like I said, I don't really got a lot. I gotta go to the store and get some more, but you have the idea. I'm gonna shake it up too. Now some lines. It was showing the 150 line, the red. It went up a little bit, so this your idea how to pick this AC Pro in. I got to get another can right quick, so I'm sorry. But at least you kind of have an idea what to do. And then you can reuse this once you get done with it. So once you get it, like I said, once you get to green, you get all the way to green, it'll be filled up. So give this video a like and share, comment, greatly appreciate it. Like I said, subscribe to my page, it's free. So till then, have a blessed day.